Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today, we're making Kombu-zuke, a Japanese pickle where kombu's umami turns salted vegetables into something surprisingly deep in flavor. Made with whatever vegetables are on hand and long loved in Japanese homes. Kombu-zuke is a type of Asazuke, quickly prepared and eaten within a day, unlike pickles made to preserve vegetables for weeks or even months. Last time we made shio-zuke, a salt pickle, and another type of Asazuke. This time, we're using kombu. As the salt draws moisture from the vegetables, the kombu's umami slowly dissolves into it, creating a surprisingly deep flavor. That gentle, natural taste pairs well with all kinds of vegetables. Try it with your favorite ones. Alright, let's start cooking. We're using cucumber and eggplant here. Before cutting, wash the vegetables well and pat them dry. Leftover moisture keeps the seasonings from settling in, leaving the flavor dull. For the cucumber, cut it into diagonal slices. The wider cut surface lets the kombu's umami and the seasoning settle in quickly, and cutting the fibers softens the bite and looks better on the plate. For the eggplant, trim off the stem and cut it into diagonal slices as well. Eggplant discolors quickly once cut, so salt it as soon as you can. This keeps the color and draws out any bitterness. Place the cucumber and eggplant in a bowl and sprinkle the salt over them. For Asazuke, the amount of salt is usually 1 to 2% of the vegetable's total weight. For Kombu-zuke, around 1% works well, so the kombu's umami stays in the foreground. Mix gently for a minute or two, then let it sit for about 10 minutes. Salt draws out the excess moisture, so the flavor stays concentrated and the kombu and seasonings absorb evenly. Press gently to squeeze out the moisture. Pressing too hard will cost you the texture. Place the drained vegetables in a storage bag. Using a bag lets you pickle quickly with very little seasoning. Add the kombu, the sugar, and the vinegar and mix everything well. Kombu is rich in natural umami, giving the pickles real depth of flavor. Sugar draws out the vegetable's own sweetness and the kombu's umami and softens the salt. Vinegar tightens the flavor and leaves a clean finish. Press out as much air as you can, then seal the bag. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour. For a richer umami flavor, leave it overnight. The kombu can be eaten as it is. Cut it into thin strips and return it to the bag. That way, none of its fiber or minerals go to waste. Simple, yet full of umami. That's Kombu-zuke. Try it with your favorite vegetables and share it on Instagram. We'd love to see which vegetables you used and how they turned out, and it just might inspire someone else to try. If kombu is hard to find, granulated kombu dashi works as a substitute. See the description below for details. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.